Hi boys and girls, welcome to our Wooppy YouTube channel. I'm Aaryan
And I'm Lavina.
We're twins and brother and sisters. Today we're going to do Christmas arts and crafts. Look at my hat, I'm Santa's helper. So today we're going to make snowflakes. Put the sticks and make a snowflake. Look at the snowflake. And then we have to use the gun glue. Ta-da, we have our snowflake already done. And we even use the gun glue. Be careful using the gun glue. Adults should only use it because it's very hot.
We have blue, yellow, orange, and green.
And I have blue. Now we're gonna put the glitter.
The favorite part.
Look at my sticker. Mine's the stars.
My one is the diamond.
Okay, let's open it up. Look guys, it's very beautiful. Wow, now let's put it on guys. Let's open, I wanna open. Let's do this. Stick. And move that out there. Look it, guys. Ta-da! My snowflake's done. You can use this as a Christmas tree star. It's our decoration. Look, it's super sparkly.
For the Christmas tree.
For the Christmas tree. Now my sister has a star one and I have some diamond work on my stickers. We need some more. Some here. I need some a little bit more. Ta-da, it's done. You can decorate it on the Christmas. Amazing. Wow. Now we're gonna make magic wand decoration. That can be used as a Christmas tree like a ornament magic wand. Or it could be a great gift. You will need sticky, popsicle stick, and sticks. And we need some sparkly stars. This is what we use for the snowflake. And now you make a star shape first. Ooh, look at that. Satisfying. Okay, time to...
It looks satisfying.
It's smooth. Stick. Whoa, gone. Ooh, abracadabra. See, this is the stick on. This is my stick on. Now we're going to put this stick on and the stick. Let's do what you already saw when we did the snowflake, remember? Let's open the stick on. Stick. And we need some little bit more. Perfect. Wow, it's so easy. Now we have our magic star. So easy. Can be used as a decoration piece. Also can be used as a bookmark. Yay! Wow, check out. So much fun. Today we're gonna make a Santa card, the greeting card that you can give to us a gift. Now we're gonna need this old card and some cotton and glue. Now we're gonna build a snowman with the card. We will need cotton and glue to stick the cotton in the card. I'm putting the glue. Okay, You take a piece of that, cut it, and stick.
Is it like this?
You stick. Stick. Number 2 is the head. Ta-da! Now we have to put some eyes.
Now we're gonna put PomPom as a nose. Now we're gonna
Open the stickers as a hat. I can't. The hat.
And now I'm putting it down.
Ta-da! Our snowman part is done. And you can use it as a greeting card. This is how you make 3 crafts for Christmas. This is a magic wand, the snowman card, the reading card, and the snowflake. It's for Christmas decoration.
We have so much fun with you guys.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the arrow button to see more fun activities. See you next time. Bye.